Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can clear cache in Proton Mail. So first things first, once you've logged into your official Proton Mail account, is you will go to your one. Of course, if you're using your browser, you will just have to click your settings, and then what you will have to do is you will look for history, and you will just have to click. Okay, again, you will click your delete browsing data, which is right here. And once you're here, what you will have to do, if you've previously opened your Proton Mail, you will just have to um, set it to either last 24 hours, 7 days, or last hour if you previously opened it. And then what you will have to do is you will just have to check cache images and files, and then you will just have to click clear now in order for you to fully delete the cache. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.